Jauregui is an integrated company that brings architecture, interiors, and construction, as well as furnishings, to all of our projects and clients. And with that, it brings exceptional advantages to the client, such as savings of time and money. Typically, in the usual process of custom building, you would normally have a separate building entity. You're working with an architect independently and an interior designer. And all of those entities will have a lot of questions and finger pointing along the way. With our company, you just don't have that at all. We are able to document all of the details of architecture and interior selections and finishes during the design phase. And so by the time we get into construction, everything is on paper in black and white. It's costed. It's our contract with our clients. I'm the first point of contact for prospective clients, and as such, I take all the inquiries. We have a very extensive conversation. I ask questions, and from that we're able to give them pretty immediate feedback about what size home we're probably looking at. Also, if they don't have a home site yet, I'm also a realtor and broker, and frequently assist those callers with finding just the right home site. Once they think it's a good fit, we feel that it's a really great fit, we schedule a meeting with the architect and we sit down and have a 2.5 hour conversation. And just from that information, we're able to go back to the drawing board and design a preliminary floor plan. We feel that the floor plan is a critical element in the design. We don't move beyond that stage until everybody's happy. And we don't even show it to the clients until we're satisfied with it. And from that point on, the architectural design development comes into play. It goes from hand drawing to CAD, Revit, computer-aided drafting. All the design issues are discussed, documented, and costed before we even get into the construction phase. We simplify it greatly by bringing all the expertise and talent to the table.
We are careful always with square footage and cost. That's one of the things that I'm very proud of that we bring to the table is a very good understanding of cost. That's an important element of a good design.
We really feel that cost is very important to the design-build process. As builders, we know cost. As architects, we can design toward that budget as long as it's a reasonable benchmark. Change orders are an integral part of our process. Being the architect and the builder, it's just a very easy, transparent, and seamless process. We're able to accommodate any changes very quickly.
Well, my message about quality, I have to say, and I might sound a little bit like a broken record, but the first part of quality is good design. That is the first part of quality, is good design. Then as you move beyond, obviously there's a lot of more obvious components to quality. Once you have the element, which is good design, the rest of it falls into place very easily. Very easily, because the components, the people involved and put in the quality and making sure that the corners come together just right and the design is properly implemented.
The design process is, we make it really easy for our clients. We first learn about their particular style, what they like, what they don't like. Then we start to build a budget with them, and we try to understand where they want to spend the money, where they might want to go a little lighter on the budget. We do everything from the accessories to the artwork to the flowers on the table, and basically take over the house for about a week upon completion of construction and install everything, and the clients can arrive with their clothes and toothbrush and be ready to live in their fantastic home and enjoy it immediately. I think that working with a budget is a talent that someone needs to possess, and in this day and age it's really easy. There's so many resources out there to create a beautiful home on a budget and make it look like $1 million furnishings budget when it's only $300,000.
I'm so design-oriented. That's really the soul of our company. You know, we're a company that are extremely design-oriented, and I always felt that it really doesn't matter the price. As long as my clients are very interested about good design, and in fact, I think that still fits well. The reality of things is that I've come to realize that there are certain price ranges in which everything that we bring to the table might not make as much sense. So therefore, that brings us into a particular price range just because the type of team that I put together, the level of expertise, and the demand for our services kind of brings us into a particular price range. There's no question about that we are in the cutting edge, and that's something that I make sure that our whole company is really looking at this. One of the things that always I feel that keep us in the cutting edge is that we're always very open with our design work. If you go to our website, there's lots of pictures. I don't like to hide what we do. We open up and we throw it out there in the market. And I've learned that by being open and throwing any kind of so-called secrets, that keeps you fresh and you have to reinvent yourself every time. So that's how we keep in a cutting edge, by challenging ourselves to do that.
We have an English tutor in the Woodlands in Houston. We have a Southern Mississippi in Houston. Yeah, we have a great team, very talented architects and interior designers. And so we can handle just about anything.
The way we work with our clients that are abroad or out of state, even out of city, today with emails, and we're able to communicate really easily through emails, FaceTime, video chatting, showing samples, mailing our clients samples saying these are some options for your family room sofa, A, B, and C. We recommend A. These are the price points. Let us know what you think. So we're able to work with clients from a distance very easily.
Well, generally the entire process would take, give or take, a couple of years. We can fast track that for our clients depending on their needs. We can expedite the design, get us into construction before all of the drawings are totally 100% complete. Once we have foundation plans and framing plans, we can actually, break ground. We have a really great team that has been hand-selected by Luis. Great architects, really terrific interior designers, good people, really enthused about what we do. And I know our clients enjoy their experience in addition to getting just a great product.
We operate in a team effort. This company is not about Luis. Is not about our main architect or our lead designer or our superintendent. It's about a whole entire team of people that come together to provide the service.
Yeah, most of our clients really see the advantage of hiring us for their furnishings because we're working with the architect so closely, and we're the one making the interior selection, so we're able to harmonize the entire space. So it's all very integrated, and it's a complete story.
That's our motto, really, that we really need to make this a fun experience. And I hope it's seen by not just our product, but actually talking to our people. We realize that this business is about providing a service to our clients, and they need to have fun at it. But in order for our clients to have fun, we need to have fun at what we're doing, and that's what I try to inspire in a lot of our team. They need to enjoy it, and I look for people that really enjoy what they do. So that synergy starts taking place from day one all the way to not only the time you deliver the house, but as you interact with your clients and the way they live in their houses, and when they call you and invite you to a party and you feel good that they're showing off their place, and there you are.